Hello guys, in today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best wireless security cameras available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Arlo Essential Spotlight Wireless Security Camera. Using a direct Wi-Fi connection, the Arlo Essential Spotlight camera doesn't require you to install a hub between the camera and your router. The Weatherproof 1080p camera also boasts a built-in spotlight that can automatically turn on when motion is detected or enabled manually via the Arlo smartphone app. The light also helps the camera record color video at night. Each camera's battery can go for up to 6 months of regular use before needing to be recharged. The system also works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. A free 3-month subscription is provided to Arlo Smart, which includes cloud recording. Key features: direct Wi-Fi connection doesn't require a hub. Automatic Siren can be activated manually via the smartphone app. Two-way audio allows you to hear and talk to visitors. Number 2. UFE Cam 2 Wireless Home Security Camera. If you don't want to deal with recharging a wireless camera's battery frequently, take a look at the UFE Cam 2. The battery in each camera can go for up to a year of regular use before recharging. As a big plus compared to other systems, all features including cloud storage are available without any subscription. To better customize what motion alerts you receive on the companion smartphone app, you can customize detection zones. And the system uses AI to help determine whether a moving object is a human or something else. Two-way audio also allows you to speak anyone in range of the camera. The system is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Assistant. Key features: camera battery life of up to 1 year with normal use. AI can reduce false alerts by differentiating a human from other moving objects. No subscription needed to use all of the system's features. Number 3. Ring Spotlight Battery HD Wireless Security Camera. This great option, made for use outdoors, offers more than just a wireless security camera. The Ring Spotlight camera battery's built-in spotlight can shine a light on what's happening during a motion event by taking power from a removable and rechargeable battery. If necessary, you can even turn on a 110 decibel siren alarm during an emergency. Two-way audio allows users to hear and speak to anyone within view of the camera. With the companion smartphone app, you can do this from anywhere in the world. Built-in night vision lets you know what's happening around the camera's 140-degree field of view. Along with being able to adjust the motion sensitivity, you can customize specific schedules for motion detection. An optional Protect Basic plan is also available. Subscribers can save all videos for up to 60 days and share them with others. Key features: two-way communication. Activate a siren and spotlight via the smartphone app. Compatible with the optional Ring solar panel to provide full-time power. Number 4. Canary Flex Outdoor-Indoor Home Security Camera. The Canary Flex is an excellent solution for indoor and outdoor situations. The camera can operate wirelessly or in a wired mode. It records motion-based events and uses AI to determine whether a person or something else caused the event. That should help cut down on false alarms caused by animals or other factors. The camera comes with basic cloud storage, but an optional membership provides a 30-day video history and two-way communication from a smartphone app. It's also compatible with the Amazon Echo Show. You can select from a black or white version of the camera. Canary includes a 360-degree magnetic swivel base to help find the viewing angle. There are also several different optional mounts available. Key features: optional subscription unlocks 30-day cloud storage and two-way audio. Included 360-degree mount can help you find the perfect viewing angle. Available in 2 different color options. Number 5. Blink Indoor Wireless HD Security Camera. As a great way to start with truly wireless home security, each Blink Indoor is powered by 2 AA lithium batteries that can last for up to 2 years with normal usage. Once you install the Wi-Fi bridge somewhere in your home, the camera can go anywhere within the wireless range. Anytime the camera senses motion, you'll receive a notification on your smartphone. To better manage notifications, you can customize motion and privacy zones in the camera's range. While you can see a live feed for no charge with a companion smartphone app, you'll need to subscribe to record, view, and share video in the cloud. But you can store and share videos locally for free. You'll just need to provide a USB flash drive that interacts with the bridge. You can easily purchase additional cameras later to expand the system. If you're looking for exterior home surveillance, the line also includes a weatherproof model. Key features: 2 AA batteries can provide up to 2 years of use. Monitors the temperature of your home. 2-way audio.